Look what we just found. He just flew right up to us. Look how awesome. We are having a great time here in Honduras. What's going on, Brian?
That's what they said.
Oh, they're feeding them. What are they feeding them?
Banana.
Fruit flies. So what's going on?
We're at the Copan ruins and doing a self-guided tour because that's what we do best. These are the birds we found. We don't think anybody's ever seen these before, but we found them.
We found them.
Polly want a cracker? No, Polly want a cracker. Maybe he doesn't. Maybe it's in Spanish. Polly. I forgot the Spanish words for all.
Say my name.
¿Quieren una?
Say my name.
¿Quieren trick?
You got it. You got it. That's awesome. And they know my name. I'm famous among the bird community. Hello? I know what you are. That's a toucan. But in Spanish, he's a dos can. Dos. Toucan. Grilled Macau. Grilled Macau.
Green Macau.
Green Macau.
That looks good. Brett's gonna help her out. Close the grill.
Helping them cook. I love this place. What just happened? Is that a bird?
Yes.
He wants something to eat.
I was like, what the heck?
He likes
You
your
ready?
food.
Something sharp just got on my shoulder.
He whispered in your ear. Banana.
And you were filming? Hey, buddy. I don't know what to do.
Give him banana.
I don't want to lose my ear.
Give him banana.
Hey, buddy.
Here.
Yeah, you're closer to him.
I'm scared he's gonna bite me.
No, he's trying to bite the cracker.
Oh.
What just happened? A bird just flew onto my shoulder. Where did he come from?
He's a happy bird. Look at him. Eating on one foot.
This is nuts.
Hey, you think he'll eat some chicken?
It scared me. I didn't know what was happening. You're dripping crumbs on me, man. Just use my shirt as a napkin.
That chicken's good, isn't it?
Hey, you know this is a chicken bone. We eat birds. You know that, right? Give me another bite of that chicken.
This is your ancestors. Your auntie.
He is chilling.
Does he eat chicken?
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Right, yeah. Not pork, but chicken.
I guess I just finished my lunch.
Only Brock.
No, for real, right?
No.
He's just eating with the bird on him.
It's like he's supposed to be there.
Y'all just hanging out.
You invited me to lunch, right? And it's where we're supposed to meet.
Oh, he wants it now. He finished his piece. He's going for yours, Brock. There you go.
It's like, didn't you tell me to come for lunch?
I've been done with my lunch for quite some time. He's not done eating, so I'm stuck. I'm just gonna sit here until he's done. And then I can go. I got a show to do in like an hour.
Uh-oh, he dropped
But-
it. He's going for it, Brock.
You just keep feeding him. I'm scared to move, because if I move too fast, he might bite my ear off. I don't know this bird. This is a stranger. He just invited himself to lunch.
Yeah.
I guess I'll order dessert. Flan, please. Coffee, yes, sure. The Adventures of Honduras. He's on a TV show. He's really big, he's yellow. Crumbs in my face. He's on TV, he's really famous. You don't know him? His name's Big Bird. He's a big yellow bird. He's about as tall as me, he's about 6'4". The feathers, yellow feathers, and anyway, and are you recording? Anyway, dessert was fantastic. Still here. Show starts in 30 minutes. We've been getting to know each other over here. We're talking about famous birds that I know. There's not many of them.
He lost it again. He's going down. There he goes. He's dropped half of it in your lap, I think.
Also Woody. The thing about Woody is he would peck on wood. They called him a woodpecker. And
Oh. Let's take it.
I guess lunch is over. Let's go.